The built environment in the education sector has changed, and what the principals are facing now is, online learning, remote learning is different types of needs within these facilities. So the suitability of their assets is actually probably outdated and potentially leaving them with questions about how to move forward. There's a very reactive nature to maintenance in the industry, and particularly those who are not formally trained in facility maintenance. So if you were to let a facility deteriorate without some proactive maintenance, so looking ahead and making informed decisions around where I could spend my money in the next few years, can actually have quite an impact on the use of the facility. So Macutex for the education sector, we're a partner. Information is the biggest benefit that clients will get from us and working with us. It's empowered decision making. So your recommendations for funding, for planning, for requirements for the facilities, it all comes through information in terms of future funding. There's also ways of channeling their funds down the right paths, being able to understand where they should and or shouldn't be spending money, rather than upgrades and renewals, understanding if there's somewhere else for that money to go. It's a really positive experience for everyone involved by operating with a partner that understands the environment that they're working in.